Hey girly, in this video I am going to be sharing how you can take your photography onto Instagram and level up your stories using these 5 Instagram editing apps that I found that I love to use from time to time, and hopefully you like them too. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you want to see any more apps in the future, and let's go!
So first one that we are going to go for is Clay. And what I like about Clay is it is similar to Canva, where it gives you different options for templates and such. Basically, I like this because it has more aesthetically pleasing options than Canva. Like for this one, it's a little bit more boho, a little bit more, I don't know, modern. So I like this because you can change the fonts and the colors, opacity, and sizes, but better yet, they can actually offer you different logo options, and I say this is stealing my graphic design degree under me, so thank you very much for doing that. I don't have a job anymore. But they do have highlight covers over here, which I have not designed a lot of highlight covers for myself, so that's nice. These aren't free though, so if you want free, go to freepik.com. No plug, no shame, but these are different options for different graphic design elements. So next one we're going to look at is in stories. So let me just show you what I've done in the past. What I love about it is you can for sure add your pictures, you can add different elements, you can even add videos into this. Love these just because they are so easily maneuverable. You can edit the text, you can edit the title. But let me just show some of the templates that they do have. So these are free, the ones that don't have stars, and they do have animation built into them, so it immediately levels up your stories. I just love how clean the aesthetic is. Let me just show you some of the pro versions. So we are going to do Unfold, and Unfold is underrated, guys, because this has so many clean aesthetic. They have film vibes, they have that bohemian flair, they have a little bit of edge, lots of mood with the shadows. Unfortunately, they are $1.99 per pack if you don't pay for, I feel like there's some kind of subscription. Let me see, which ones are free, fam? Classico. This is the one that I've been using a little bit at a time. I really just like it because it is seamless and just easy to fill in. So you just hit use template. They're not animated compared to the one we just looked at, but I would say that the part I don't like is when I'm about to use a template, I just want to hit it and actually use it, but instead the phone thinks that I'm actually progressing forward when I just want to actually use it. So you have to hit use this template. I don't think $1.99 is too bad if you're consistently using one pack. So they do have Studio, which I actually haven't used that yet. What is Studio? So you can use it as an editing app. Sweet, that's pretty legit. And they have effects. And then let's look up plan. You can plan your Instagram. So for this, I actually used an app called Plan or Preview, but wow, you can even do that in here, and you can create your own link in bio page. That's pretty cool, Unfold. You're pretty awesome.
As we do a quick set change, I just wanted to let you know that if you're interested in figuring out your photo editing style, or if you already have one but you would like to make it more consistent, I'm going to link 2 videos down below so that those hopefully will help you.
Alright babes, we are going to go over onto over, and what I like about this are the social kit options. Basically, they have everything pretty much designed for you in different layouts. So they have your vertical option for reels and stories, the square posts, and also some vertical options. And this is great if you just don't have enough time to curate your own brand collection and you want to use this specific style. You could just change the colors and the typefaces, and you've got your own little retro social kit. They also have some carousels for those who like to have a series of posts but don't quite know how to change the second page, third page, etc. And then let's go into the templates. So we have been looking at different Instagram story templates in the other apps, and they do have some other ones in here that are pretty great. What I like is definitely the video option, because I like to have my stories animated and moving because that's more interesting. And then so there's also other options. There's Facebook, Pinterest, flyer poster, logo, promotion, banner, business card, which this intrigues me. And they also have this team option that the other apps don't really quite have. You can coordinate, collaborate, communicate with your team so that everybody has the same style and everybody's on the same page, and you can have your projects in different folders to keep organized. Okay fam, this is my favorite app, and it is Canva, just because it is so versatile. You can use it for posts, stories, social media, and other ways. Logos, reels, TikTok, phone wallpaper, presentation. But anyway, there's just so many different elements. Like, I love to look up scrapbook or film elements whenever I'm playing around in Canva, just because I like to have more of the bohemian, scrapbooky look. See, look at these. These plants are free. It's just so cute. They also have multiple fonts to choose from, and you can even upload your own font if you'd like, so that your whole brand is thoroughly consistent. You can also upload your own colors if you have the hex code. You can also use different effects, transparencies. You can add effects to the fonts themselves. You can even add animation to different elements. And right here you can choose different templates, upload your own pictures, look at pictures that they have through Unsplash and Pexels, and those are just free stock images that you can use. And then there's elements where you can find different stickers. So I love Canva because it's super intuitive. It saves your designs for you. Here's another fun thing. You do have games as options. So I always like seeing these on Instagram when people share. They also have this or that as one of the games. If you have never used it before, go and use it, because it will definitely help you with any graphic elements that you need when you are stuck and just not having the most creative day. And I do also use this for my YouTube channel for thumbnails, and even some of my Instagram posts sometimes.
I think I tried to be aesthetic, but I'm not really sure if that worked.